Before any industry can begin construction or installation of machinery, it must obtain legal permission to ensure compliances with environmental norms. This permission is known as consent to establish or simply CTE. It is the very first clearance step for industries in India under environmental law. So hello guys, welcome to your channel CPCB, and today's video we are gonna talk about what is CTE and its legal requirement. So without wasting time, let's get started. So now let's understand the introduction of CTE. CTE is the statutory approval issued by the State Pollution Control Board or Pollution Control Committee. It is prerequisite for starting construction of any factory, plant or industrial projects. Without CTE, no industry is legally allowed by lay its foundation, install machinery or begin operations. Now let's understand the legal background of it. The requirement of consent to establish arises from two important environmental laws of India: the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974 and the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981. Under these acts, state pollution control boards are empowered to regulate and control industrial pollution. CTE ensures that industries take preventive measures even before construction begins. Now let's understand when actually CTE is required. CTE is required before setting up any industry, operation or processes that is likely to discharge sewage, trade effluent or emit pollutant into the environment. This applies to new industrial projects, expansion of existing units, diversification into new products, change of manufacturing processes or raw materials. Simply put, no industrial activity can legally start without consent to establish it. Now let's understand the complete application process of it. To obtain consent to establish, an entrepreneur must apply online through the State Pollution Control Board's portal. The application includes detail of the proposed project, manufacturing process descriptions, raw material and chemical used, proposed pollution and control measures, land document and site plan, and prescribed fees. All these documents, once submitted, the State Pollution Control Board examines the application, conducts a site inspection, and verifies compliances with environmental standards. Now let's quickly look at the legal requirement of CTE. The legal requirement for obtaining CTE vary based on the industry category: red, orange, green or white. Key requirements include the setting up proper effluent treatment plant like ATPs for wastewater treatment, installation of air pollution control devices like filter and scrubber, providing hazardous waste management plans, maintaining a green belt or buffer zone around the unit, submitting an environmental management plan like EMP for certain large-scale projects. Environmental clearance issued from the Ministry of Environment, Forest and Climatical Change must be obtained before applying to CTE if it is needed. Now let's look at the validity and renewal process of it. So the consent of establish is valid for a limited period, usually up to 5 years. If the industry fails to complete construction or setup within this limit, it must apply for renewal of CTE. Only after completion and inspection can be the industry apply for the next step, consent to operate. So now what are the consequences if company is non-compliance with this requirement? Let's see. So starting construction or operation without CTE is a punishable offense under the Water Act and Air Act. Consequences may include sealing of the industrial unit, heavy monetary penalties, criminal prosecution of management, rejection of future approval. Therefore, obtaining consent to establish is not just a formality, it is a legal necessity. So I hope now you understand the importance of CTE, because consent to establish is the first step in building a responsible industry. It ensures that environmental safeguards are in place from the very beginning, protecting air, water and soil from pollution. Remember, CTEs today means a clear tomorrow. Industries must comply with the law not only to avoid penalties but to create a sustainable future for generations to come. Because I believe CTE is the first legal step toward responsible industrial growth. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, Share it with your friends and colleagues so that more people can learn about environment and its legal requirement. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming videos. Your feedback means a lot to us. Tell us in the comment what you thought about this video and also suggest what legal or environmental topics you would like us to cover in the next. We can also make this video in Hindi, English or Marathi. Let us know which language you are preferred. So thank you so much for watching this video. Till then, this is Ankush Kamble signing out until we meet again.